Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. Okay, hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So today we're going to be doing a review, and let me show you what the product is. So the company called Saker reached out to me to test out this mini electric chainsaw. And again, the company name is Saker. And yeah, I'm testing out a chainsaw. Could you believe that? So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. There's nothing else in the box here. Yep, there's nothing else in the box. So, and it is pretty small. So let's check out, this is what the picture shows. Okay, and then again, this is the name of the company. They reached out to me and I was glad to try this because I wanted to try to see if I could start using little by little some power tools to improve my crafts. So I'm hoping this is really small. Hurt, so let's put that away. Let's take a look. So here is the instruction booklet. And again, is there any other name, anything else I need to say here? No, it's just called Company is Saker. It's a mini electric chainsaw. Okay, so that's the booklet. I believe this is the battery pack. Yep, that's the battery pack. And let's see, I'm not sure what this is, but I will open up that pamphlet and check everything out. Now, then we have this little Phillips screwdriver, and this is the plug-in for the power pack, which I'm going to plug into the wall. And then here is a tool. I'm pretty sure that's for tightening. I forgot what that's called. And then look how cute that chainsaw is. Look at this now. This is so cute. It's a stand-up chainsaw too. I think I like this. And look at how cute that little chainsaw is. Isn't that adorable? That's like so adorable.
Careful.
Okay, so I am very anxious to try this. My son is with me. We want to make sure I don't get hurt in the process, but isn't that adorable? Look, and it stands up. It has a handle over here. I think I'm really liking this, guys. So let's go charge up this battery, and yeah, and then we'll have him test it out because I'm not doing it. All right, guys, I'll see you in a bit. Now, I just went and grabbed some of these items that I purchased at Dollar Tree, and I thought he would use that little mini chainsaw to cut through these. We did try it, but I think it's best that we take this outside. But I'll go ahead and show you how it works, just cutting these few wooden pieces. I'm going to have my son go ahead and do that. I'm just going to mark off what area I want him to cut with that saw. So, yeah, let's try this, guys. Now, I already marked the hearts. I just wanted him to cut them down the middle. This is what the little mini chainsaw looks like. This is absolutely beautiful. The power pack is on the bottom. It didn't take long to charge at all. It does have safety features. okay, because we don't want anybody to get hurt. And it is, as you can see, easy for me to hold it with my hand. I'm still gonna have my son go ahead and try this, only because I need to watch him use it before I try it. But looks pretty, guys. It's I can't believe how small it is. So let's go ahead and try it. Okay, so now here is my son. He's gonna go ahead and cut these down the middle, and then we're gonna head outside to try the chainsaw. He's showing you once again what it is and also the safety features that it has. Okay. So now what I asked him to do here is just to hold the heart upright rather than cutting it the other way. We're just kind of watching to see which way works better. I think we better head outside, guys. So now once we get outside, I'm going to leave my son to go ahead and explain to you more about the saw and then show you. So all of the information regarding this product is going to be in the description box below, along with the SKU code for this particular saw and their website. So thank you so much, Saker, for reaching out to me, and let's head outside, guys.
Hello there. So today I'm going to be trying this little mini chainsaw out. Always wear protective eyewear and gloves so you don't hurt yourself. And let's test it out. This is dead branch, so I wouldn't try it with that. Let's try it with this. That's how it's done. Let's get a little close-up of that. So it cuts pretty well, actually. It's doing its job. As you hear, the sound is pretty you know, it's not too loud, but it's not too, you know, I mean, you could never be too quiet, honestly. But it's not too loud, so that's a positive. Also, don't forget, when you use this mini chainsaw, you should press the button. When you press the button, it'll release to when you pull the trigger. Then it would move like that. But it has a safety guard to where when you press the trigger, it won't go because of that button. So to test it out one more time, let's try a bigger branch. So let's see, this is a little bigger branch just to get an idea. So I'm holding it. That was pretty good, that was pretty good. Nice, it's not the cleanest cut, but it gets the job done, okay? So, thank you for watching. Back to you, Grace Life.
Okay, guys, like, comment, and share.